Hello everybody and hi everyone, welcome back to our video classroom, and today we will learn lesson 113 small change. Sağdaşlar yaxshimizlar? Darsxonamizga qayt kelganlarni qarshi olamiz. Bugungi darsda 113-dars small change degan darsni o'qiymiz. Okay. Andaqda bugungi yeni sözlüklerimizga qarayli, yeni sözlüklarni o'rganib o'taylik boshda. All right. Andaqda birinchi so'zni bersanlar conductor. Okay? Conductor. Xo'sh, endi bu yerga conductor deganimiz nima desanlar, savolashlar. A person whose job is to collect money from the passengers on a bus or check their tickets. Okay, nima deydi desanlar? Bu yerga bir kishi onun xizmati bo'lsa, o'sha avtobuslarda bilet yig'ish yoki shu biletni tekshirish. Demakchi, conductor degan nima? Hisobda avtobuslardagi biletchi nima deymiz? Sanlar conductor deymiz. Qaranglar rasmda, o'xshabmi? Okay. Nima desanlar shu biletchi, bilet sotadigan nima deymiz? Conductor. Conductor. Actually qo'yinglar, conductor. Good. Yana bir conductor. Good. Andaqda keyingisi. If you want passenger or conductor to change a note, what will you say to them? Okay, answer. If you want the passenger or conductor to change a note, so what will you say to them? Andaqda siz yoki bir yo'lovchininki yoki bir bilet sotuvchi shu pulni tegishmoqchi bo'lsangiz yoki pulni parchalatmoqchi bo'lsangiz, siz nima deysiz? So what will you say? Siz nima deysiz shunaqa holda? So, masalan, can you change a note? Okay, can you? Siz qila olamsiz, deb olamsiz, change a note. Demakchi bu pulni parchalab bera olamsiz. Note deganim shu qog'oz pulni ko'rsatadi. Have you got any small change? And have you got barmi? Any small change? Sizda biror bir parcha pul bormi? Okay. Qaranglar. You know, one day you decided to go to Happy Valley by bus. Please answer the following questions. Okay, answer qaranglar. You know, one day you decided to go to Happy Valley by bus. Please answer the following questions. Demakchi, ma'lum bir kuni siz mushu ko'nglich bag'chisiga, ama valley degan hamda jilg'isi hamda. Demakchi, ko'nglich bag'chisiga baho berishni qaror qildingiz. Undaqda siz tuvandagi savollarga javob berib baqing. Masalan, in which way can you pay for fare when you got on the bus? Okay? In which way? Siz qaysi usulda mushu avtobusningki biletini to'laysiz, avtobusga chiqqan vaqtida? Okay? You know, get on the bus. And the get on degan nima? Avtobus mashinalarga chiqmoq degan nima deymiz? Savolashlar get on deymiz, get on. Okay. And a fare, okay? And a fare degan nimada nima desanlar? Shu nima? The money that you pay for the ticket. Demakchi siz shu biletga to'lagan pul nima deymiz? Fare deydi. Fare deymiz. Masalan, avtobusga chiqqanda conductor nima deydi? Demakchi bilet sotuvchi fares please deydi-ku. Endi bu demakchi bo'lgani bilet elinglar degan gap, fare. Demakchi fare degan nima? Bilet. Demakchi shu biletning haqqi, biletning puli degan gap, Okay. All right. Note. Masalan, abay bir qadam uchratdik, hamda note degancha note. Okay, and the note degan nima? Sanlar paper money. Adatda qog'oz pulni nima deymiz? Sanlar note deymiz. Xo'sh, ems tanga pulni nima deydiganda misollar? Tanga pulni coin deymiz, Coin. All right, coin. Okay. This is nima? Note. Like RMB, dollar degandagi emas bakango. Okay. Andaqda qaranglar. Next one is change. Okay. Change deganimizdan birinchi ma'nosi nima desanlar? Shu almashtirmoq degan gap, Masalan, change money. Okay? Bu degani pul almashtirish. Demakchi, masalan, dollarni xalq pulga, xalq pulni dollarga almashtirish mumkin keldi desanlar, change keladi. Masalan, abay degandek, can you change this 100 note? Okay? Demek, siz bu 100 yuanlık pulni, 100 yuanlık qog'oz pulni parchalay olamsiz? Mesela, what should you do if you haven't got any small change on the bus? Mesela, muhim bo'lgan savollar, savolashlar. So, agar siz avtobusga chiqqanda, shu parch pul ilib olmagan bo'lsangiz, siz qanday qilasiz? Okay, what would you do if you haven't? Okay? So, will you ask the passenger to change money? Okay? Hamsa shu yo'lovchilardan shu pulingizni tegishib berishga, parchlab berishga so'ramsizmi? Yoki parchlashni o'tinamsizmi? Or will you ask conductor to change the money? Okay? Yoki shu bilet sotqichning pulni parchlab berishni so'ramsiz? Okay. Agarda endi avtobuslarda bilet sotqichi bo'lsa, bu intayin yaxshi ahvol shunami? Agar bilet sotqichisi yo'q endi hozirgidek avtobuslar bo'lsa desanlar, o'xshamaydi shunaqa. Okay, endi misharki passenger. Okay, passenger. Okay, passengers bo'lsa nima desanlar, yo'lovchilar. Passengers. Okay. People who travel by bus or by train. Demakchi, kishilar shu avtobus orqali yoki poyezd orqali qatnaydiganlarni nima deymiz? Odatda passengers deymiz, passengers. Okay, look, they are all nima? Passengers, passengers. Okay. If none of the passengers can change your note, what will the conductor ask you to do? Okay. Agar hamda mushu pulingizni yo'lovchilarning hech qaysi parchalab berolmasa, bilet sotqichi sizdan nimani talab qiladi? Okay, just sitting on the bus and just open your computer and just surfing. Demak, siz o'tirishni talab qiladi. Okay. Yoki nima ish qilishni? Get off the bus. Okay. Endi sizning talab qilgan albatta nima desanlar, avtobusdan tushib ketishni shundami? Get off deganimiz ham nima? Avtobusdan tushmak. Endi get on bo'lsa savodashlar, avtobusga chiqmak shundami? All right. And the next one is tramp. Okay, actually, tramp. Good, tramp. And the tramp deganimiz a person with no home means no home, job or money who travels around and asks for money from other people. Okay, nima desanlar? O bir odamniki uyi yo'q, puli yo'q, hatto xizmatimi yo'q. Hamda nima desanlar? Shu bir yerdan bir yerga qatnab yurib, boshqalardan pul so'raydigan odam nima deymiz? Odatda tramp. Naq bunda odam nima bo'ldi balla? Sargardan. Shunami? Sargardan. Okay? Look at this picture. Okay, you can see very clearly. No home, right? Okay, no money. Okay, just ask money. It means beg the money. Beg degan tilim action. Degandek. Okay, next one, accept. Accept. And accept means every student is listening to the teacher carefully, but Tommy isn't. Tony isn't. Demakchi, mishara hammalar qanday qiladi? Anglatadi, lekin kim anglamadi? Tony. Demakchi, Tonydan boshqa degan gap. Accept deganimiz ham nima? Din boshqa degan gap. Masalan, every student is listening to the teacher carefully, except Tony. Ammo o'quvchi muallimninki darsini intayi ko'ngil qo'yib anglayotidi. Mush except Tony. Tonydan boshqa. Okay. Tonydan boshqa. Masalan, except you. Sizdan boshqa. Except me. Mendan boshqa. Okay. Mendan boshqa. All right. Anaqa qaranglar. Okay. Except you, all the students are in the classroom now. Except you, sizdan boshqa. All the students are in the classroom. Hamma o'quvchilar hozir nahar ekan bolalar? Darsxonada. Ko'rdingizmi? Sizdan boshqa. Except you, mendan boshqa? Except me. Except me. Okay. Amsa sadoshlar, o'sha o'rgangan so'zimizni bir tekshirib boqaylik. Nima deymiz? Get avtobusga chiqmoq bo'lsa, get on the bus. Avtobusdan tushmak, get off the bus. Okay? Get off the bus. A person with no home or job who asks for money from other people, he is what? Tramp. Sargardan shunami? Nima deganmiz? Tramp. Demak, tramp. Yaxshi. You know, they are the people who travel by bus or by train. They are mushu poyez bilan yoki avtobus bilan qatnaydiganlar edi. Biz nima deymiz bolalar? Passengers. Good. Passengers. Passengers degani nima? Yo'lovchilar. Masalan, passenger bekat deb qo'ydik uyg'urchada. Shu passengers station degan gap. Okay, passengers. Passengers. Okay. Anaqa every student is listening to teacher carefully, but Tony isn't. Lekin bu Tony anglamadi shunama. Shu Tonydan boshqa degan nima? Every student is listening to the teacher carefully, except Tony. Nima ekan? Except Tony. All right. Xo'sh, amsa, yana paper money nima degan savdoshlar? Qog'oz pulni nima? Note. Yaxshi. Note deymiz, bala. Note. Note emasa note. Note. Good. You know, we need some small change. Small change kichik parch bo'lishini when we take a bus. Albatta, avtobus chiqqanda we need what? Change. Avtobus chiqqanda nima? Change. Yaxshi. The money that you pay for the ticket is siz bilet to'laydigan pul nima deymiz bolalar? Fare. Yaxshi, fare. Good. You know, a person whose job is to collect money from the passengers on a bus or check their ticket, he or she is what? Conductor. Conductor. Yaxshi, conductorning xizmati nima ekan bolalar? Shu bilet chiqish, bilet sotish degandek. Nima? Xo'sh, amsa, so'zliklar mushagichi bo'lsin, savodashlar. Amsa sizlar ma tekstni intayin ko'ngil qo'yib anglanglar. Listen very carefully and then match these. Bularni qanday qilib qo'yinglar desanglar, tutashtirib qo'yinglar. Xo'sh, amsa, hozir biz sizlarga anglash qismini qo'yib birlar. Diqqat qilib anglasanglar.
Lesson 113. Small change. Listen to the tape, then answer this question. Who has got some small change? Fares, please.
Trafalgar Square, please.
I'm sorry, sir. I can't change a 10-pound note. Haven't you got any small change?
I've got no small change, I'm afraid.
I'll ask some of the passengers. Have you any small change, sir?
I'm sorry, I've got none. I haven't got any either.
Can you change this 10-pound note, madam?
I'm afraid I can't. Neither can I.
I'm very sorry, sir. You must get off the bus. None of our passengers can change this note. They're all millionaires.
Except us. I've got some small change. So have I.
Alright guys, finished? Look, so haven't you got any small change? And they so'rab shunami? Aslarimiz qaysi maskelar? I've got no small change, I'm afraid. So have you any small change, sir? Oh, I'm sorry, I've got none. Right? Can you change this 10-pound note, madam? I'm afraid I can't. Okay. Andaqda qaranglar. Mushu o'qinglar hamda mushuni javobini nima qilib qo'yinglar. Masalan, birinchisi, what is the conductor asking the passenger for? What is the conductor asking the passenger for? What? She's asking for what? Fare, right? Fare. Demakchi, mushu bilet pulini so'radi shunami? Okay. So, where is the man going? You know, he's going to Trafalgar Square. And I can a lot Trafalgar Square. Okay. And then did the conductor want this 10-pound note? Okay, did the conductor want this 10-pound note? Okay, and then şu 10-pound note halam diken? No, she didn't, right? She wanted some small change. And that ona lazım bolgan herkes 10-pound note emasmi, small change. Okay. So, what is the conductor saying to the lady? Can you change this 10-pound note? Şunama o ayol kişiga hamda siz şu 10 pund sterling pulni pachlab bera olamsiz, shunama? So, who's got any small change? Okay. Two tramps. Two tramps. All right. Andaqda sağlaşlar, şu bugungi teksimizga language focus, şu tilning intayın muhim nuqtalarini bir ko'rib chiqadi. Qaranglar, I've got no small change. Endi bu yerga no deganimiz hamda nima qilib keldi desanglar, bu I haven't got any small change. Menda pach pul yo'q. Demakki I've got none. Endi bu ingliz tilida bu no ni ismlarning oldiga qo'yish orqali nima desanglar, yo'q deganni ifodalaydi. Demakki bu yerga no yo'q. Bu nimaga teng desanglar, not any. Okay? Masalan, I do not have any water. Demakki I have no water. Yoki I have got none. Menda hech qaysi nima yo'q. Endi qaranglar savollashlar. Masalan, have you got any chocolate? Sizda shokolad bormi? No, I haven't got any chocolate. Okay? I've got no chocolate. Okay. Demakki I have not got any chocolate, I've got no chocolate, and I've got none. Demakki menda faqatlam yo'q. Shunami? I've got none. Okay. Let's try, guys. You know, there isn't any milk in that bottle. Right? Buni o'zgartirsak nima? There's no milk in that bottle. Demakki botilkada sut yo'q. Shunami? You know, there aren't any books on the shelf. Bu nimaga teng desanglar, there are no books on that shelf. Demak, endi shu sanig'ini bo'lgan ko'plikka nima desanglar, there are no books. Cho'qim no ni qatqani keyindikisi, agar ko'plik bo'lsa, cho'qim ko'plik bo'yicha kelaveradi. Masalan, no milk, no books, shnama, no books. Okay. Andaqda ma'ni keyin qaranglar. You know, I haven't got any money. Demakki I've got no money. I haven't got demakki pul yo'q. Demakki I've got no money. Bu nima masalan asosan tang ifodalash. Masalan, there isn't any coffee in this tin. Demakki bu tumi muqtara nima? Qahva yo'q. Yoki there is no coffee in this tin. Shunama? Andaqda saqlashlar. I didn't see any cars in the street. Men bu ko'chada hech qanday mashina ko'rmadim. Shunama? Buni I saw no cars in the street. Demakki men ko'chada hech qanday mashina ko'rdim. Demakki hech qanday yo'q bir mashina ko'rdim. Demak ham nima shada? Ashnaga qaysi keladi desanglar, no car. Demakki there isn't bilan, haven't bilan nushnoni birlikda ishlasak bo'ldi ekan saqlashlar. Okay. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.